the ultimate guide to achieving financial independence, 7 strategies for early retirement. Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome to our viral video, the ultimate guide to achieving financial independence, strategies for early retirement. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to attain financial independence and retire early. I'm Alec, your guide to financial freedom and early retirement. Have you ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and enjoying a life of financial independence? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share the ultimate guide to achieving financial independence and early retirement. We'll cover key strategies, actionable tips, and success stories from individuals who have already accomplished this remarkable feat. Step 1. Setting clear financial goals. The first step on your journey to financial independence is setting clear goals. We'll discuss how to define your desired lifestyle, calculate your financial needs, and develop a customized plan to achieve your goals. Whether it's retiring at 40 or traveling the world, your goals will be the driving force behind your financial journey. Step 2. Maximizing your income. To achieve financial independence sooner, it's essential to maximize your income. We'll explore various strategies such as side hustles, freelancing, entrepreneurship, and career advancement techniques. By increasing your earning potential, you can supercharge your savings and accelerate your path to early retirement. Step 3. Efficient budgeting and expense management. Effective budgeting and expense management are crucial components of financial independence. We'll delve into techniques for creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and making conscious spending decisions. Learn how to optimize your budget to save more, invest wisely, and avoid unnecessary debt. Step 4. Building a robust investment portfolio. Investing is a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. We'll discuss different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds, and how to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Discover strategies to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Step 5. The power of passive income. Passive income streams are key to achieving financial independence. We'll explore various passive income opportunities, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and online businesses. Learn how to generate income while you sleep and create financial stability for the future. Step 6. Tax optimization strategies. Minimizing your tax burden is essential to preserving your wealth and accelerating your journey to financial independence. We'll highlight tax optimization strategies, including retirement accounts, tax-efficient investments, and deductions. Discover how to legally reduce your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Step 7. Protecting your wealth and mitigating risks. Preserving your hard-earned wealth is critical on the path to financial independence. We'll discuss risk management strategies, including insurance, emergency funds, and estate planning. Learn how to protect your assets and ensure financial security for yourself and your loved ones. Congratulations! You now have the ultimate guide to achieving financial independence and early retirement. By following these strategies, taking action, and staying committed, you can make your dreams of financial freedom a reality. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start working towards your goals. Start implementing these steps today and embark on the path to a life of financial independence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are eager to achieve financial independence and retire early. Together, we can build a community of individuals striving for financial freedom. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes.